Dear friends, I'm now moving to Module 4, Cracking Uncertainty with Probability, MCQ Part 1. This is part of Test Your Knowledge in Business Statistics in the Age of AI. Let me now proceed with the questions. Before we do that, a little bit of an introduction or preamble. Why probability is very important. At its core, probability is about quantifying uncertainty. Imagine predicting sales in an upcoming quarter or determining the likelihood of customers clicking on an ad. These seemingly complex questions boil down to the simple yet profound principles of probability. When integrated with AI, these principles unlock new dimensions of predictive insights and automation. For example, Amazon's recommendation engine predicts the probability that a customer who buys a laptop will also purchase a laptop bag. Similarly, AI-powered risk assessment tools in insurance predict the probability of claims based on customer demographies and historical data. So probability is extremely important in assessing uncertainty that are crucial for business decisions. Let me now move to the first question. Sales target forecast. I have taken to the large extent, in fact, almost all examples are based on business scenarios. So sales target forecast, first question. A company has 40% probability of meeting its quarterly sales target. If there is a 50% probability of exceeding the target after meeting it, what is the probability of exceeding the target? Use the principles and rules of probability. Let me now flash the answer with a proper explanation. The answer is A, choice A, 0.2. Using the multiplication rule, probability of exceed and meet is equal to probability of meet into probability of exceed given meet. So the principle of conditional probability, while calculating probability under the multiplicative rule, the events are not independent. So probability of meet is 0.4 quarterly sales target meet. And given that the sales target is met, the probability of exceeding it is 50% chance. So multiply the two, you get 0.2. This is question 1. Let me now move to question 2. Customer loyalty program. A retailer finds that 30% of customers are enrolled in a loyalty program and 70% of enrolled customers return for repeat purchases. What is the probability that a random customer returns for a repeat purchase and is enrolled? Repeat purchase must happen, and also the person must be enrolled, is enrolled. Giant probability, maybe. Let's look at it. Take some time. You have facts here. A retailer finds that 30% of customers are enrolled in a loyalty program. So let's see the answer. The choice is A, 0.21. How? Return unenrolled is asked here. Return means repeat purchase is coming. Return unenrolled is equal to probability of enrolled into probability of return given enrolled. So, probability of return for repeat purchase is 30%. Given that the person is enrolled, the probability of return is 70%. Multiply the two, 0.3, 0.7, you get 0.21. Therefore, A is the right choice. Let's move to question 3. Product demand. A product has a 60% probability of high demand. If the probability of stockouts given high demand is 80%, what is the probability of a stockout? Fairly simple to answer. You should be able to do it in 2 to 3 seconds. Look at the choices and select the one which you feel is the appropriate. The answer is B, 0.48. Probability of stockout is equal to probability of high demand into probability of stockout given high demand, which is equal to 0.6 probability of high demand. Stockout given high demand is 0.8. Multiply the two, you get the answer 0.6 into 0.8, 0.48. Therefore, choice B is the right one. Thank you very much. With this, we conclude part 1 MCQ of module 4. We will meet very soon.